How you guys doing today? This is Stoney Stamper from Hart Trailers, and I wanted to take you around and show you one of our custom Hart trailers. So let's take a look. First thing I like to start out with is I just like to start at the beginning of the trailer and work my way back. The strongest, most durable gooseneck built in the industry today. Anything over 26 feet has double gussets on the gooseneck. Industry standard is just to have one gusset right here, but when we put extra length and extra weight into our trailers, we feel like that we need to put some extra structure in there as well. So we add a second gusset here to give you that extra security. Our gooseneck is built to last through pretty much anything. It's also attached into the main frame with over 90 fasteners, and you can see them underneath around the boomerang gussets and the high stress point. We want this to be one solid unit when we get done building it. Follow me back here and we'll look at some other options on the trailer. This trailer is a little different layout than a lot of trailers you may have seen. You know, a slant load horse trailer is the most common that we build, but we do build other kinds, and this is one of those. This is a stock trailer in the back, and it has a mid-tack. You've got 4 saddle racks on the wall. It's completely carpeted all the way around, and you've got a walk-through from the mid-tack into the living quarters. These doors, both of them, the living quarter door and the mid-tack door, are both custom built by Hart Trailers. We build all the doors on this trailer ourselves. They've got a heavy aluminum frame on the inside, and they've got double door jambs so that they get a good seal. Now, as I said, on the back end of this trailer, it's a little bit different than some that you might have seen. This just has slats on both sides. The plexiglass is totally removable easily just by removing this bolt and that bolt and sliding the plexiglass out. This trailer has black avalanche aluminum wheels, which I really think are a great option. These are a really good looking wheel. They look good with any color. You know, we offer white, black, champagne, charcoal, bronze, and this color of aluminum wheel goes well with any of those colors. This trailer is also equipped with a 6-foot hay rack, and then it has a generator. So let's take a look in the back end so I can show you the differences in it. So one thing that I would always recommend to anyone, when you open a door, all of our doors come with a holdback on it. On a day like today, it's very windy. A full-size door like this, the wind can actually slam it hard enough to do some damage, but most importantly, you don't want it to swing around and hit you or your horse. But as you can see in the back end of this trailer, it's just got one single swinging gate. There are no slant dividers in it. You can haul horses or cattle. Rubber is mounted all the way around, so if you want to haul horses in here, it's no problem at all. It is a slam latch divider. Very easy to use. And then this model also has, and this is an option, but a neat option, is just a small little broom closet here in the back. You can put pitchforks, you know, you can hang bridle hooks, and just fill this up with as many items as you can when you're going on the road. We get asked a lot if we build stock trailers with living quarters, and we do, as you can see here. All these switches here run your LED lights on the inside of the trailer and on the load lights above. All right, now let's go check out the living quarters up front. Okay, so now we've come to the front end of this stock combo trailer that I just showed you. This is a 13-foot straight wall interior. But it still has all the quality cabinetry, hardwood cabinetry that you'd expect. You've got a queen size bed here. You've got a fold out couch down here beside you. You know, a really cool little kitchen area here in the front with the front sink. I like the color of the wood. You know, the bigger the interior, you can darken the wood a little bit more and it doesn't feel enclosed. But when one is a little smaller, you want to go with a lighter color wood sometimes to give you a little bigger feel up front. This has a full-size 6 cubic foot fridge in the front. You've got your shower, you've got a lot of closet space here, of course your toilet and vanity. But what I really like about this is that it opens into the mid-tack room that we just showed you a little bit ago. And the air conditioning is ducted back here. So you can use this mid-tack as a mud room, but you can also use it as an additional bedroom. You can put a cot or bunk beds or anything you want there into the mid-tack. For a straight wall trailer, I really like the way that they've done the interior on this. You've got your stereo here and then your control panel again right here by the door. It'll run the generator, which you can start and stop right here from inside the trailer without ever having to leave the comfort of inside. All the light switches and the awning controls are right here as well. Another thing that I really like about this trailer is, you know, a lot of times doors can be bulky. They can get in your way. You open a door here, you try to open a bathroom door, and they start getting in each other's way. They've built a great barn style door on this that's on a roller track, so it's never in your way, very easy to use. All right, well, I'd like to thank you for taking a few minutes to watch this video. We really appreciate you watching it, and we hope that you've learned something great about our trailers. You can find out more about our trailers at harttrailer.com. So I hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching.